Whenever it comes to Boxcutter, we have quite a few operations mapped to the mouse wheel. For example, if we were to press B to add a bevel, we can roll the wheel to adjust the segments of our bevel. However, we can also use the arrow keys to adjust the segments on our bevel on the fly. Another example is if we were to draw a box and we press V to add an array, we could press up and down in order to adjust our count. In addition to moving our mouse to adjust our distance, we can still use the arrow keys to adjust our count. If we were to go into mirror, we draw a shape, we can press 1 to activate mirror, press 2 to activate Y mirror, press 3 to activate Z mirror, and we still have the flexibility to be able to move our shape around even inside of this mirror. Keep in mind that anytime you need to edit these settings intimately, you are able to go inside the box helper to access your modifier settings. Another one I want to talk about is solidify. If we press T, we see that pressing the arrow keys does nothing because basically you press T and you move the mouse in order to adjust your solidification. But when it comes to the crucial operations like being able to deal with your bevel, we do support arrow keys, and also whenever you're recalling shapes, you're also able to use arrow keys for that.